everybody. It's time now for a check-in on the weather. Meteorologist Josh Nichols tracking your 7 weather forecast, keeping that winning energy going with a quiet outlook, Josh.
Yeah, we've hit the jackpot in that regard, Taylor. Good evening to you and good evening to you at home. Made it up to a top temp today of 31, which is pretty much on par with what you would come to expect for this point in the month of January. The clouds are a little stubborn. The vitamin D outlook is a little low right now, but that's okay. We can pick up our high energy spirits in other ways right now. The average high and low right now at 33 and 20. The sun will get up tomorrow right around 7:40 or so. Hour by hour we go. It shapes up this way. We're looking at some peaks of sun for your Monday. I think a better chance at seeing Old Sol in the afternoon as the breeze picks up and starts to mix out some of that low level moisture. So temperatures should be into the mid 30s for highs. Speaking of that breeze that will be a little bit busy at times, it will start to gust somewhat, especially lakeside into the afternoon. We could see some wind gusts up around 30 miles per hour. Nothing we can't handle, but that breeze will actually help to, like I said, mix out some of the moisture in the lower layers of the atmosphere. That would give us a little bit more of a chance of seeing some sunshine. As far as the trend, it is our friend if you like it a little bit milder. Again, the normal high right now is right around 33 or so, and we are still above average for the next several days. We're above average tomorrow for Monday, Tuesday. We're into the 40s Wednesday and Thursday. Next storm system to watch will arrive right around Thursday into Friday. It'll probably start out as some rain, and then we'll go to snow, and that's what we're going to focus here is on this next weather system that'll be making an approach from the west. All indications right now suggest that the initial thrust of moisture will come in the form of rain on Thursday night. But as the storm tracks to the north and colder air moves in on its backside, there will likely be a transition to some snow. But make no mistake about it, the temperature trend is way above average here for the next several days. I don't see any big Arctic assaults coming our way, perhaps through the entire month of January. It's really in stark contrast to December. Remember, December was the third snowiest in Buffalo weather history. This January could end up being one of the least snowy. Right now, Skywatch 7, rather cloudy, 30 degrees. The wind is out of the south at 3 miles per hour. So seasonable, reasonable, easy to take. 31 in the falls right now. There's a little weak system here tracking to our south and well to our east. In the meantime, as Neil Sedaka used to say, breaking up is hard to do, and that's exactly what's happening to the low clouds. That just refuse to go. But looks like, as I said, going into tomorrow, they will break up a little bit. But we're stuck with them overnight tonight and into early Monday morning. Once the clouds thin, we should see a little bit of sun probably around lunchtime tomorrow. But then the clouds thicken once again. We'll have that stiff breeze. It's a weak cold front that wants to come in tomorrow night. Could mean a few snow flurries here up towards the Lake Ontario shoreline overnight Monday night and into Tuesday morning. But nothing more than a trace out of that. So nothing more than a festive flurry or two there with that particular setup. And then, like I said, it's quiet. Tonight's just those stubborn clouds. The overnight low at 30, 36 should do it in Medina tomorrow, 33 in Lancaster with, again, some partial afternoon sunshine. A bit of a stiff breeze off the water here in Buffalo, your top temp at 35. And we are into the mid-30s here into the southern tier, or low 30s. Have a check at that Super 7-day forecast. Again, quiet for the next few days, maybe a little cloudier midweek. And again, there's that opportunity for rain and wet snow by week's end into early next weekend. No way that I'm going to put any wagers down on snowfall accumulations at this point. It's just too close to call, and there's still lots to sort out.
I like the word normal. I like the word quiet.
Me too.
It all sounds good to me, but when we're talking about football,